Here's what you'll need for an easy but delicious Vietnam dish. Vietnamese caramelised pork. You'll need some spring onions, some pork mince, a little onion, 2 or 3 garlic cloves, some fresh ginger, chillies. I'm putting mushrooms in mine, but you put whatever veg you like in. A few chilli flakes. Now for the sweetness, you can either add sugar, which would normally be added in Vietnam, or I like to use sweet chilli sauce. Adds the sweetness and adds a bit of chilli as well. And you're going to need some fish sauce. First thing we're going to do, add a glug of oil to your pan, and then it's in with your pork mince. And then we're just going to brown that off for 5 or 10 minutes. Once your mince is cooked, just go in with a tablespoon of sugar. Then we're just going to cook that a few minutes, and that'll caramelise your pork mince. With your mince cooking away, now we're going to get on with cleaning and preparing your veg. Veg all nicely chopped. Time to get them in the pan. When your mince is done, you're going to turn that out onto a plate. So into a pan with a drop more oil, going in with your garlic, ginger, onion and spring onion, and your chili peppers. Just hold your mushrooms back if you're using them for a bit, because they'll absorb everything. So we're just going to give these a couple of minutes to cook through. When they've had a couple of minutes, time to add your mushrooms if you're using them. And if I were you, I would use them, because they're delicious, especially chopped up small like this. Get them mixed in, and then give your mushrooms a couple of minutes just to cook through. When your mushrooms are cooked, it's time to go in a couple of tablespoons of your fish sauce. Smells horrible, but adds great flavour. As little or as much chilli flakes as you'd like. And lastly, your optional sweet chilli. To top it off, a bit of salt and pepper. Give them a good mix, and then it'll get all these caramelised brown bits off the bottom of your pan. Then it's back in with your mince. Give that a good mix round. Then just give it a few minutes cooking so all the flavours meld together, and you're good to go. Once it's all come together, all that's left to do is dish it up and then add whatever accompaniments you want.